Hello everyone, I'm Shimayer from Heraldon Elementary School, 5th grade. And today I'm going to talk about something super cool, AI. Have you ever asked a computer to draw a unicorn riding a skateboard? Well, AI can do that. AI is everywhere now. But is it always good? Let's find out. AI makes our lives easier. At home, my mom's robot vacuum jumps around, cleaning while she takes a well-deserved break. It helps me solve tricky math problems. And doctors use AI to find diseases faster and save lives. But AI isn't perfect. It might take over some jobs. My uncle worries about his delivery truck driving job. And sometimes AI gives totally wrong answer. Once it messed up my homework and I was so surprised. Most of all, AI doesn't have real feelings or creativity like it do. So how should AI wisely? First, treat it as a helper, not a replacement for your brain. Second, learn how it works so you can trust it better. And most importantly, keep your imagination alive. AI can start ideas, but we make them truly special. AI is powerful, but we are the real creators. Let's be smart, kind, and creative and build an awesome future together. Thank you for listening.